Hello, it's Massimo here. We're back in my kitchen once again to show you a really simple recipe you can try at home. Chicken saltimbocca, literally chicken with pancetta, sage, pan fried with lots of little goodies. The first job is to marinate the chicken. So I've just chopped up my parsley, my sage and my garlic, and that's going to go straight into my bowl. Just add some lemon zest to that. What we're going to do is grab our chicken, just a touch of olive oil, and then we gotta get our hands in there. Beautiful streaky bacon, cover over the top. One of these, and what we're going to do now is basically we're just going to cover the base. Okay, so we've got this part done. The chicken is marinated, we've got the bacon on there, garlic on there, lemon zest. We're going to let that sit for 10 minutes. Okay, so chicken is ready, my pan is on. Just add a little bit of olive oil. Now what we're going to do is just carefully grab the chicken, season, basically paste. That's the sound you want to hear. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll cook that for about 6 or 7 minutes. I've got my oven preheated at 180 degrees. Put it in the oven. 10 to 12 minutes. We'll check it at 10. Now we're going to make our polenta. Our milk is just starting to come up. What we're going to do now, so I've got this on 10. And what we want to do is basically just stream that in. You'll see that start to come together. Now sometimes it will thicken up, you just add a little bit more water or milk. And then we're going to finish that off with butter and parmesan. Using an Instant blender is quite good because it doesn't mean you have to sit there for hours stirring. I mean, you could if you really wanted to, or if you wanted it quickly like I do, use the Instant blender. It's delicious. Okay. We're going to make a little sauce, just using the juices left in the pan. Really simple. If you had some stock, you can add some stock. I'm just going to add a little dash of water. Yeah. And I'm also going to add a little knob of butter. And then like that. To finish our polenta, I just added a dash of water in this. It just started to dry out a little bit. My butter. Put that right down now. I just want to keep it warm. I don't want to cook it, so I've got it on 2 or 3 actually, 2. We're going to get a little bit chefy here, so with a wooden spoon, just scrape off all those juicy bits, crusty bits. That's going to make a delicious sauce within minutes. So look at my chicken, beautiful and crispy. Got my polenta. Now what we're going to do is add my parmesan to that. Okay. Beautiful. Got my chicken jus or my sauce, my gravy. And now we're going to plate up. My polenta. This is just some beautiful leaves just from the garden. And finish off with a little bit of lemon zest. And there it is, my chicken polenta, saltimbocca, beautiful leaves from the garden. Buon appetito. I'm going to try this right now. So good.